Are you looking to remove someone from a group chat on Instagram? In this video, I will show you step by step how to quickly and easily remove someone from a group chat. I'll cover everything from accessing the group settings, selecting who to remove, and confirming your selection. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the group chat. And then tap on the group chat name at the top left of the screen. Once you are on this screen, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see all the members of your group chat. If you are the admin of the group chat, you can easily remove anyone from the group chat by tapping on these three little dots right next to their name. And then selecting Remove from Group. And that will remove that person from your Instagram group chat. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.